Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC settings. And in today's video, I will show you on how to delete Passkey linked to your Microsoft account on your Windows PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you go to your startup menu. Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11 and you want to delete Passkey on your Windows account or Microsoft account. So make sure you navigate to settings. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to account. So under the account right here, scroll down right here until you get to Passkey. Go ahead and click on Passkey. Then you have all Passkey right here. Login.microsoft.account with this particular Outlook account. Go ahead and click on this 3D dot right here. Then click on delete Passkey. Once you delete Passkey, it simply means that you can easily log in with your personal chosen password and username used with your Microsoft account on any web or any app. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.